Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to gift a game you already own on Steam. This process is very simple and will only take a few minutes of your time. To begin, launch the Steam application on your computer. If it isn't on your desktop, search for it in your program files or use the taskbar search. Once you find it, open the app to get started. With Steam open, your next task is to log in. Navigate to the top right corner of the homepage to find the Login button. Click it and enter your account name and password carefully. If you happen to forget your details, use the account recovery option to avoid any issues. After entering your info, click the Sign In button to access your profile. Now that you are on the homepage, head over to the Store tab. This is located either at the top or on the side menu, depending on your interface settings. Clicking this will take you to the main Steam marketplace where all titles are listed. Once the store loads, use the search bar at the top to find the game you want to gift. Type in the title and click on the game when it appears in the results. This brings you to the full product page containing the description and reviews. Verify this is the correct game. Then click the Add to Cart button located below the summary. When the confirmation pop-up appears, select View My Cart. Inside your shopping cart, choose the option to Purchase as a Gift. Since the game is already in your library, this is the standard way to send it to someone else. On the next screen, choose your recipient by selecting a friend from your list or entering their email address. You can also include a personal note to make the gift more special. Finally, double-check that all the details are correct, complete your payment, and officially send the game. You have now successfully gifted a Steam game in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and make sure to come back soon for more helpful guides and tips. Happy gifting!